Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a desktop shortcut for Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open up the Start menu search bar where you can quickly find programs and files on your computer. It's the fastest way to locate Chrome without manually browsing through folders. Once the search bar appears, type in Google Chrome. You'll see Google Chrome pop up in the search results. This method works whether Chrome is already pinned to your Start menu or not, making it a reliable approach for any user. Now, right-click on the Google Chrome icon that appears in the search results. A context menu will open up with several options. From this menu, click on Open File Location. This action will take you directly to the folder where the Chrome shortcut is currently stored, typically in the Start menu Programs folder. A new window will open showing you the location of the Google Chrome shortcut. Find the Google Chrome icon in this folder and right-click on it again. This opens another context menu specifically for this shortcut file, giving you more advanced options for managing it. In the menu that appears, click on Show More Options. This expands the context menu to reveal additional actions that aren't immediately visible in the simplified Windows 11 menu. These extended options include legacy features that are still incredibly useful for power users. Next, look for and click on Send To in the expanded menu. This option allows you to quickly copy or create shortcuts in various common locations on your computer. It's a built-in Windows feature that saves you from manually dragging and dropping files. Finally, from the Send To submenu, click on Desktop Create Shortcut. This will instantly create a shortcut to Google Chrome on your desktop. The system will automatically generate the shortcut file and place it right on your desktop where you can easily access it. And that's it. You now have a Google Chrome shortcut directly on your desktop for quick access. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.